LinkedIn is the leading platform for job seekers in 2025, with over 1.1 billion users worldwide. To effectively use LinkedIn, first optimize your profile. Use a professional photo, write a compelling headline and summary highlighting your skills, and include keywords from job descriptions to improve searchability. Next, use the Jobs tab to search for jobs by keywords, location, company, or seniority level. Apply filters like Easy Apply for instant applications, salary range, and job type. Use advanced search with Boolean operators like marketing and digital not entry level to refine your search. Don't forget to track your applications in the My Jobs section. To stay updated on new job opportunities, set up job alerts by saving searches or following companies. This sends daily or weekly notifications for matching positions. When applying, use the Easy Apply feature for instant submissions through LinkedIn. For other sites, follow the direct links provided in the job posting. To stand out, actively network by commenting on relevant posts, joining professional groups, and attending virtual events. This builds connections that can lead to job referrals. After applying, follow up by connecting with recruiters on LinkedIn or sending personalized in-mail messages to express continued interest. Remember ethical networking. Know your value, research before connecting, and avoid spamming others with unsolicited job requests. By using these alerts, application tools, and networking strategies, you greatly increase your chances of landing a job.